To my channel. So for this week's Whatever Wednesday, I figured I might as well do a getting to know me tag thing. I don't know what this is really. I just found some random questions online and I'm gonna have my husband pick and choose what he wants to ask me to let you guys get to know me a little bit better. I'm hoping that this video turns out good. Never done anything like this before. It could be boring because I feel like I'm boring, but my husband says that there has to be something interesting about me to entertain you all, so.
We're gonna start simple.
Okay.
What's your zodiac sign? I
am a Virgo. I just found out recently that I am a double Virgo, actually.
What is a double Virgo?
I don't know.
3 fears you have.
3 fears. I have a fear of heights. I fear dark water. Don't like it. Scary movies. Yeah, I can't do them. I can't watch them ever.
How tall are you?
I am 5'7", last I measured. I may have shrunk. I don't know yet.
What's your favorite color?
That's a hard question to answer. My favorite color is a range of color between green and blue. That's aqua and mint. Every color in between is my favorite color.
What's your favorite place?
Favorite place? Can I not say anywhere that you are?
No, that's cheating.
And
mushy.
Favorite place could it be like the beach?
Okay. How about a favorite food?
Pizza.
Do you use sarcasm?
No.
What's the first thing you notice in a new person?
The first thing I notice is really their expression, if they're happy or sad. Typically I'm looking at their eyes or their smile.
What if they're constipated?
Then I will notice.
What's your shoe size?
8.5 to 9.
Eye color?
Undetermined. Some say blue, some say green. I don't know.
Some say anything in between?
Yeah, some say anything in between.
So
it depends on the day.
Your eye color is that range of your favorite
color. Yeah, that color is the range. No, if my eyes were actually my favorite color, that would be freaky.
Hair color?
Brown and white.
Like, that's a dumb question because they're just gonna see you.
Well, it could be dyed.
True.
I mean, it is dyed. This is pretty close to my natural color. Well, less red. It's kind of red.
Favorite style of clothing?
Do sweatpants count? Comfortable clothes or elaborate costumes. Either or, I'm okay with either.
You ever made a prank call?
Yes.
What was the prank call?
I don't want to talk about it.
What's your favorite movie?
It's a trilogy. Lord of the Rings.
Your favorite song?
I don't know that I have a favorite song.
How about a favorite artist?
Michael Bublé.
I knew it. So funny. How do you feel right now?
Awkward. Very awkward.
What's your current relationship status?
I am a single lady. Not really. I am fully married.
I was about to walk out of the room.
Oh, don't walk out of the room. No, I'm married.
Favorite holiday?
Christmas.
Tattoos and / or piercings you have?
Tattoos, I have none. It's undecided whether or not I'll get some in the future. The husband doesn't like any tattoos really. But piercings, I have my ears pierced, just one hole. I got those when I was a baby. And then I have a nose ring, which oddly enough, I had just thought they were pretty for a couple years. And I turned to my husband one evening and I was like, I'm gonna get a nose ring. And he was like, okay. And I was like, let's go right now. And so we went, and now I have a nose ring.
Last book you read?
I don't remember the title, but it was probably by Mercedes Lackey.
How long does it take you to get ready in the morning?
Probably 20 minutes max.
Getting real personal. Have you shaved your legs in the past 3 days?
No. But I wear pants all the time, so it doesn't matter.
Where are you right now?
I am in a bedroom that is my craft room.
Do you like your music loud or at a reasonable level?
Depends on the mood that I'm in. Typically really loud.
What's a nickname only your family calls you?
Fish. I don't know either.
What's a weird habit of yours?
Why don't you answer that one? What's a weird habit of mine? No, if I don't like your answer, I'm gonna edit this out.
Returning things. Everything.
I have buyer's remorse. A lot.
Supreme buyer's remorse.
Yeah. It's a terrible curse.
Do you have any weird phobias?
My phobia is what is it called? The whole thing.
Oh, I think it's called tryptophobia.
Tryptophobia. I don't like the plant that has all the holes in it. It just makes me want to aggressively like claw at it until it doesn't have the holes anymore.
What's a song that you secretly love to blast and belt out when you're alone?
I'm not confessing this.
Is it not Take On Me?
It is Take On Me.
Why wouldn't you confess that? It's a great song. What's one of your biggest pet peeves?
I always say rude people, but I really think it's when people try to murder me when they're driving on the road.
What's one of your nervous habits?
I do this with my hair. I don't know why. I think maybe I just like the smell of my hair. It's really weird. I need to stop doing that. This is definitely TMI. I might cut out a lot of this because nobody wants to know this.
Everybody wants to know.
Nobody wants to know this.
It's YouTube. Everybody wants to know everything.
Oh gosh.
Oh, and I've skipped all the juicy questions, so.
Oh, what are the juicy questions? Now I'm curious. Do we not want juicy questions?
Juice.
Okay.
Not that level of juice. What was your first stuffed animal and what was its name?
It was a puppy, and her name is Lisa, and I still have her. She's in my bedroom. I don't sleep with her anymore. She's in the closet in the bedroom. Let's clarify this.
What's the drink that you always order at Starbucks?
It would have to be between an iced caramel macchiato and a cafe vanilla bean frappuccino, which is a coffee vanilla bean frappuccino.
And if it is fall?
If it's fall, it's a PSL. Fortunately, PSLs typically come out near my birthday, so my first PSL of the season is always on my birthday. And it's free. No, is it free? No, it is free. Yeah, it's free because I've signed up for the rewards.
Do you have any weird body skills?
Only one I got.
What's your favorite comfort food that is bad but you eat it anyway?
Would you say cereal or ice cream?
Cereal.
Cereal.
You eat far more cereal than ice cream.
I mean, we haven't had cereal in a really long time. You should be proud of me.
What do you wear when you go to sleep?
Pajamas. But my husband and I are weird and we call them pajamas for no reason at all.
What did you used to wear that you thought was cool but now you realize it isn't?
I once bought a pair of gothic pants and they had star studs on them. They were from Hot Topic and they had the straps coming down that hooked from the back of the pants to like your calves on the back and they crisscrossed. My sister used to take the straps and like use them as reins and like would click me along like giddy up.
What made you decide to start a YouTube channel?
Oh gosh, now we're getting deep.
Yeah, these are my questions.
Oh gosh. I don't know. I have a background and a degree in computer animation and VFX and editing, and I wanted to be able to use that and not have wasted all of that time to get that degree. And I also have a passion for DIYing things, obviously. I love to do things for myself and just learn how to do things. I joke with my husband saying that I'm not a professional at anything, but I can do almost anything. So I can do almost anything kind of good, but I'm not a master of anything. I'm a Jane of all trades, but not a professional Jane, or like apprentice Jane of all things. But what made me start it is it just kind of was the perfect hybrid of the two and kind of let me do both things. It was actually really hard for me to start it because I don't like being the center of attention. I am definitely more of a wallflower, and I'm really shy and awkward in front of people. Doing this allowed me to kind of show my personality a little bit more because it's more comfortable to do this sort of thing in a closed off room where nobody else is in the room. Does that answer the question good enough? Okay. So first of all, if you hear heavy breathing throughout this video, this little guy was on my lap and he is huffing and sighing because I am not paying enough attention to him. So yeah, there's that. Second of all, if you guys like this video and if you want to see another Q&A video, feel free to leave your questions down below in the comments on this video, and I will make another video Q&A for you all with your questions, because I feel like this was pretty basic questions. So if I missed anything that you're just dying to know about me, even though I'm pretty sure I'm the most boring person in the universe, feel free to leave those down below. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. It's kind of a weird one and odd, but it is Whatever Wednesday, so they're gonna be weird. Anyway, I hope you guys all have amazing weeks, and I'll see you guys on Saturday for another DIY video. Bye guys!